లకు మద్దతు ప్రకటించింది. కాంట్రాక్ట్ ఫార్మింగ్ తో రైతులకు మేలే జరుగుతుందని వైఎస్ఆర్సీపీ ఎంపీ విజయసాయిరెడ్డి అభిప్రాయపడ్డారు.
Sir, the previous framework, I am showing my hand towards this side. The previous framework left the farmers at the mercy of the middlemen, that is dalals, who wanted to increase their own margins. Now, there are some positive aspects in this bill. Sir, a farmer who toils day and night in his fields faces two problems. Problem number one is whether he shall be able to get the right price for his produce. Number two, whether he will be able to sell at a reasonable rate. At what rate? These two problems farmer is facing. Sir, by allowing contract farming, the farmer is assured of the sale price for his produce at a predetermined price. This is one advantage. And the risk therefore is transferred from the farmer to the buyer. Sir, secondly, the bill free farmers from the coercion of the licensed middlemen. As the farmers could till now sell only to the licensed middlemen, and the middlemen found it easy to form cartels and these markets and offer low prices to the farmers, this will be prevented by passing this bill. Sir, this ends the monopoly of APMC system. A farmer in the market area is compelled by law to sell his own produce in the designated APMC market, and he is prohibited from going even to the next APMC in the next district, even though it is much nearer to the farmer. Sir, this can be avoided by passing this bill. Sir, and there are some concerns also because of the paucity of time I am not bringing it to your notice, but the one important issue which I would like to bring it to your notice is this bill does not cover the tobacco. Why? Clause 2 of the farmers' assurances defines farming produce to include all the foodstuffs, edible oil, cotton, poultry products, but leaves out tobacco. And I request the Honourable Minister that this can be included, and there is nothing wrong in allowing the contract farming even in the case of tobacco for export purposes, sir. Sir, in Andhra Pradesh, YSR, 2 more minutes. In YSR Congress, R stands for Raitu, that is farmer.